Pro Sound Effects is empowering sound artists by bringing to sound artists, I think, the highest quality libraries, because they've come to people like myself who are obsessive about recording and high quality recording. I mean, we know the libraries that are years or decades old, and they are serviceable. If you need a door closed, you can just buy a cheap library from one of those libraries. But Pro Sound Effects is on this constant quest to encourage sound artists and sound designers like myself to continue to record and to continue to publish so that the library is constantly updated with the newest sounds and the newest approaches to sound recording. I mean, you know, one of the many things that they do is they encourage and facilitate us offering immersive audio. How many libraries do you know of that offer sounds in ambisonics or 7.1 or 7.12? This is the way modern soundtracks are being made, but you don't see some of the other libraries keeping up to date that way.